actually have a tongue twister. So, if you manage to make the sound, well done, comment below. Now, next challenge is actually quite a lot difficult, because there's a tongue twister with specifically R. So, in Swedish, it goes far, får, nej, får inte får lamm. Translation, Dad, does sheep get sheep? No, sheep doesn't get sheep. Sheep gets lamb. It's like, does sheep, when they breed, do they get more sheep or do they get lamb? Well, they get lamb. So, in normal speed, it would be far, får, nej, får inte får lamm. Don't worry about the speed. You go your speed, and if you succeed, comment below, and well done.
Let me try first.
Okay, Jenny, go ahead.
Ford. Do you have tongue for the question?
Far, får.
Ford.
Får.
Ford.
Yes.
Nej.
Nej.
Ford inte Ford. Ford lamm.
Exactly. Perfect. Wonderful.
Okay.
So if you manage to get the r sound, as Jenny just did, well done. Applaud. And if you also got it, applaud for you.
But
Well
it's
done.
not long R in this word.
It's actually not so long
Yeah,
R.
so that's why I don't have problem.
But yeah, practice both short and long R, both r and r.
By the way, is that possible everyone can pronounce it well in the beginning since they are kids?
No, that is not the case. I, for example, had very difficulty pronouncing R. I always pronounce it L.
Just like me in the beginning.
Yeah, just like you. Just like, I guess, a Japanese person, they would pronounce L. Loligt. Lulla. Rulla. Yeah, so the tongue twister would basically be something like fall, nej, fall inte, fall lamm.
Ah, I see.
Instead of rrr. Is there something more? Have any questions?
Other tongue twister together.
Other tongue twisters.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have one with something we call the sh sound. The two sounds, sh and h. More on that in a different video, but tongue twister for that is sjösjuka sjömän sjönk i ett sjunkande skepp i Shanghai. 7 sjösjuka sjömän sjönk i ett sjunkande skepp i Shanghai.
7 sjösjuka sjömän sjönk in ett sjunkande skepp.
Sjunkande skepp.
In Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Perfect. Move on. And that's the famous, right? The famous one.
The sheep and the ship in Shanghai, those are the most famous ones, I think, in Sweden. That's, when I was a kid, those two were like the only ones who were surrounding in our class, always. Then we have another one with, which I haven't really heard all that much, so I don't exactly know which word is which, but it is jag såg en såg och vart jag såg så såg jag bara såg vi såg.
Jag såg en såg och vart jag såg så såg jag bara såg vi såg.
Yes. Basically, my translation of it would be I saw a saw, and where I saw, then I saw only the saw we saw. Take it as you wish. And I guess those are the 3 tongue twisters we have for you today. Yeah, we hope that it'll help you in some way and maybe learn how to pronounce R. And if there's any more questions you have, just leave down below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a first try with, was it Taiwanese meatballs?
Yes, Swedish try Taiwanese meatballs.
So these are actually stuck together.
I want to try this one.
This one.
Dip with the mixture sauce.
Okay, there's slight. Okay, so they cook together technically. Okay, hold on.
Use your chopstick skill, please. The eating one doesn't look good.
Sorry.
But how's it?
Not bad at all. Actually, not bad at all.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So, Swedish meatballs and Taiwanese meatballs will win.
It depends on which kind of Swedish meatball you go for, but I would say still Swedish meatballs.
Alright, stop recording. Bye bye.